Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE issues fake news alert over circulating circular claiming rescheduling of Class 12 English examination in Middle East regions and stating the exam for CBSE schools would be held on 12 March 2026 after the situation was restored. Board warns schools and students against the fraudulent notice and urges reliance only on official CBSE communications. CBSE's trial of on-screen digital evaluation for Class 12 board answer sheets in Indore faces minor technical glitches and OTP delays in online registration. Board resends login links to ensure teachers complete registration and proceed with practice sessions. Examiners face initial difficulty adjusting to reading handwritten answers on screens, with experienced teachers taking up to 20 to 30 minutes per copy while first-time users take up to 90 minutes. Trial runs conducted with sample copies, using unique login IDs as CBSE collects feedback to refine the system before the digital evaluation process begins next week. CBSE issues circular to affiliated schools encouraging students and teachers to visit Amrit Udyan at Rashtrapati Bhavan to view the Winter Annuals 2026. Garden open to the public until 31st March from 10 am to 6 pm. Last entry at 5 pm. Closed on Mondays, with 13th March reserved exclusively for specially abled personnel, Divyangjan. CBSE notifies affiliated schools about conduct of Foundational Learning Study 2026 by Parakhat NCERT at the end of March 2026 to assist foundational literacy and numeracy of grade 3 students. Study to cover over 10,000 schools and more than 1 lakh students across 776 districts in 36 states or union territories, including government, central and state, government-aided, and private schools selected through sampling, with CBSE directing sampled schools to remain open and extend full cooperation to assessment teams. CBSE invites applications from PGT and TGT teachers of CBSE-affiliated private schools to serve as mentors under the Prerna program launched by the Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Education, Government of India. Selected mentors to guide students during a week-long residential experiential learning program at the premises of Vernacular School, Vadnagar, Gujarat, featuring heritage visits and value-based activities, with eligibility of preferably below 45 years of age and minimum 5 years teaching experience for classes 9 to 12. Applications open through the Prerna portal with school NOC by 16th March 2026. Assam CM inaugurates Guwahati Science City built at 288.13 crore rupees across to 50 bighas at Tepesia, Sonpur in Kamrup Metro District, featuring Eureka and Space Odyssey galleries with AR or VR experiences, with science discovery and science park sections planned. Also virtually launches 5 district science centers worth 178.13 crore rupees in Ameengaon, Majuli, Silchar, Kaliabor and Bongaigaon to expand science education across the state. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.